Dating back to the 12th century, Gede was once a thriving settlement, part of the rich Swahili culture. The ruins, which are located near the picturesque town of Watamu, are a testament to the ingenuity and craftsmanship of the Swahili people. Gede flourished as a bustling trade hub where merchants exchanged goods such as ivory, spices, and textiles, facilitated by the strategic position along the Indian Ocean trade routes. As you wander through the crumbling walls of coral stone and explore the remnants of houses, mosques, and a palace, the echoes of history come alive. The intricate architectural designs, influenced by Arab and African styles, reflect the cultural melting point that was Gede. Today, Gede is enveloped by a vibrant forest where nature has reclaimed much of the land. The ruins are not just a historical site, they are a sanctuary for wildlife. Monkeys swing from the history and nature. Monkeys swing from the branches overhead, while birds flit through the trees, creating a harmonious blend of nature and history. The serene environment invites visitors to reflect on the lives that once thrived here as they stroll through pathways lined with ancient baobab trees and lush vegetation.
Having been brought together by this UNESCO World Heritage Site, that is Gede National Monument, I have requested the museum, the National Museum, to also consider looping in the Portuguese Chapel and the Malindi Museum and the Vasco da Gama Pillar to be part of the UNESCO World Heritage. And I hope next year when they make the bids that these 4 sites will also become a World Heritage sites that will bring in more tourists and more money to the local economy here in Malindi and Watamu.
Mchuma Odim, Magical Sense in Kilifi.